Okay, now let's try to find the value of x, right? Now here, yeah, here we have parallel line. So very carefully, I mean, when you have parallel line, you must use, normally you need to know alternate angle, corresponding angle, interior right angle, like that. Now here, here 40, so I could mark here this angle now easily, like this way, right? If I draw like this way, this is represent z, right? Like this way, and this, right? Try to understand, it's like z. So this line and this line, we have parallel sign, so that why this line and this line parallel. If this is 40, this should be 40. Try to understand that way. If it is represent z, that this angle we call normally alternate angle. So if this is 40, this should be 40, right? That's the idea. Okay, now if this is 40, this also should be 40, because why? Now look, they tell no here EF equal to FG, this one, these two equal, no? So that's why this is the isosceles triangle. That means EFG is the isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, this equals side, angle of equal sides, opposite angle of equal side. That means now this is the equal side, this, I mean, EF and FG equal, opposite angle of those sides, now this is opposite of this side FG, this angle opposite of EF, right? That means these two should be equal. Here also 40, right? Try to understand this side opposite angle is this one, right? And this side opposite angle is this one, right? Because these two sides equal, no? Right? In EFG triangle, this side equal this side. So opposite angle of those sides, this side opposite angle this side opposite angle this, these two must be equal. Okay, then very simple theorem, try to understand this way. But this two angle equal to this exterior angle. In a triangle, if you extended one side, you can get the exterior angle, no? This way, this exterior angle normally we call like this way, this exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle, right? Interior opposite angle, these two add up to this, when you add these two, it will be equal to this, like that way. If this 40, then you can tell now this triangle, or the EFG triangle, if you extended this side, that means EF side, if you extended, this is the exterior angle, this will be equal to this plus this, right? Try to understand like this theorem, these two add up to it will be equal to this exterior angle. So like that way you can tell x equal 40 plus 40. There are some other method also get to this, right? This is the method come to my mind quickly. Otherwise you can find this angle, because 40 plus 40 80, this should be 100. If this is 100, this should be 80, angle on a straight line. Like that way we have some other method also get to x. Don't need to use you don't need to think it has only one method, no, it has several methods to get the answer, right? What the method come to your mind, you can use it. It may be sometimes little long, sometimes short, right? Don't need to worry with that. If your method is correct, you can get the full marks.